Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize MLS access using ShowingTime step by step clearly. Open the ShowingTime app on your device. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually positioned in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation panel. Select the Settings option from the list. In the Settings menu, look for the MLS Access section. Tap on MLS Access to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to choose your MLS provider. Select your MLS from the provided list. Enter your MLS credentials when prompted. These credentials typically include your username and password. After entering your credentials, tap on the Authorize button. Wait for the system to process your request. Once authorized, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Review the confirmation message to ensure everything is correct. If necessary, you may have the option to link additional MLS accounts. Make sure to check any additional settings related to notifications or alerts. Once you are satisfied with the settings, exit the menu. You now have authorized MLS access using ShowingTime. Navigate back to the main screen to start using the features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.